and now I'm tired just by this much, but I still have to cover a bit more ground because there are too many stairs. Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. कैसे हैं आप लोग? And welcome back to the channel. Today we are heading outside the city in Bear Mountains, and this is the hiking trail of Bear Mountains, and by God this is absolute nightmare for people like me who don't like to walk that much. But I'll show you how many miles do I have to climb today. See this? Yes, this is the trail that I'm going to. और इतनी ट्रेल चढ़ने के लिए बहुत डिफ़िकल्टीज होती है जो मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं करने के लिए तैयार हूँ. एंड सो गाइज माई ट्रेल स्टार्ट्स. लेट्स सी हाउ मच कैन आई कवर अप फ्रॉम दिस. वेल आई डोंट थिंक सो इवन आई विल बी एबल टू कवर दिस मच. फॉरगेट अबाउट दिस होल थिंग. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट टू build these damn legs. So this is where the Bear Mountain starts, all lake, and people are doing boating, or what do you call it, kayaking? No, it's not kayaking. Those are boats, paddle boats. And few people are coming down from the trail. Yep, people are coming down and we are going up. Yeah, as she said, enjoy nature. Well, I'm in no mood of doing that, especially when I have to walk so much. Okay, why build trails? क्यों बनाए हैं आपने? पढ़ लो. If you guys can see in the camera, do read it. Oh, there is a zip line? No, that's how it was constructed. Yeah, that's one very good point. When everyone is coming down, we are going up. Very nice. The demonstration trail. So this is the stone paving for us to give a better walking route. And I'm not showing myself in this video today because I want you guys to enjoy this scenic view. How beautiful it looks. See? It's one of the beautiful places I've ever been. And by the way, if you guys are bored seeing this video, watch my Dubai video, my Niagara Falls video. We found this stick, and if we find a bear, this is going to be my defense. It's not even going to hurt my sister. Forget about hurting a bear with this. I feel like Moses having a stick. Thank you. ये मेरे लाइफ की थर्ड हाइकिंग है, जिनमें से 2 मैंने जब किया था जब मेरी बॉडी बहुत अच्छी थी और जब मैं इतनी वॉकिंग करने का शौक़ रखता था. अब वॉकिंग तो दूर, मुझे सिर्फ सोना पसंद है. ये पूरे $500 मिलियन का ब्रिज बना है इन लोग ने. ये पूरे $500 मिलियन का ब्रिज है गाइस. बहुत ध्यान से कदम रखना, इसके अंदर हीरे जवाहरात जड़े हुए हैं. देखिए, इतना बड़ा ब्रिज सिर्फ हमारी सुविधा के लिए बना है. बिल्कुल प्यार हो गया मुझे. You see this stones? This is where we start our mountain. So guys, now this is where actual trail lies. See this? Mountains and the stones have started, and I'm using this stick just in case bear shows up, because it is known as Bear Mountains. Well, that is completely bullshit which I'm speaking. Don't take it seriously, and if you guys want to come with your family and friends, do come to this place. It's very beautiful and the drive is absolutely stunning. There are bikers, hikers and idiot car drivers as well. So be careful on the road and be careful on the trails. This is gateway. This is the gateway towards the trail. I've paid taxes for that. And now I'm tired. Just by this much. But I still have to cover a bit more ground because there are too many stairs. Damn. गाइस, मेरे से बदला लिया जा रहा है इतने लंबी लंबी वॉकिंग बता के। ये दिख रही है सीढ़ियाँ। अभी उतना और चढ़ना है और अगर इसके आगे मुझे कुछ नहीं मिला तो मैं नीचे चला जाऊंगा, कहीं नहीं चढ़ना। ये मेरा लास्ट है। इसके बाद नीचे जाके आपको बोटिंग का व्यू दूंगा, क्योंकि अगर मैं इन सीढ़ियों से ज़्यादा चढ़ा, so I don't know about you guys or anyone else, but I will see God once. I will see God. Yeah, He'll call me up. So guys, this is how I look just after a few minutes of the hiking. और मेरी तो फटी पड़ी है. I cannot go further than this. Yeah, I cannot go further than this. So I'll be heading down, and I don't know what is up there where people are climbing, but if you are a hiker and you guys enjoy these kind of places, do visit over here. For me, this is not the place to be, but still I tried my best. That's all I can do. I'll go down and I'll show you the boating experience and everything. This is how I look when I'm tired. मेरे थकने के बाद ऐसा दिखता हूँ, देख लो दोस्तों। मैं ज़िंदगी में कभी वापस हाइकिंग नहीं करूँगा जब तक मैं दुबला नहीं हो जाता। और अगर आपको मेरा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन वीडियो देखने में इंटरेस्टेड है कि मैं अपना वर्कआउट जर्नी सब कुछ दिखाऊँ, तो आप मुझे नीचे कमेंट करके बताइए। और अगर आपको हाइकिंग नहीं देखनी है एंड यू गाइज वांट टू सी समथिंग एल्स, देन go and watch my Dubai video, ATV video, and what else do I have? I have many videos. Go to my channel and watch my videos. So guys, hiking is complete. मेरे पास और ताकत नहीं है कि मैं ऊपर जा सकूं, क्योंकि मेरी लगी पड़ी है। And I am happy till where I went. It is very beautiful. This is the trail which I have done. This. It doesn't stop here, it goes all the way down there. That's enough for me. Now it's time for me to go down. Yep, see this? My legs are not strong to keep up to this trail. I need to do a year of legs exercise. Then only I can climb this so-called Bear Mountain and do this hiking. Whew. Wow, looks so beautiful in real life. I don't know if my camera is able to do the justice to this, but it is absolutely stunning. This is the fall season, that's why it looks so pretty. When it's summer or winters, it's not going to be that good, but in winters actually it will look very good. But this fall season is something else. It's beautiful. मैं थक गया रे बाबा। मैं वीडियो बनाने के लिए कितना सैक्रिफाइस करता हूँ। लाइक कमेंट सब्सक्राइब करो प्लीज़। और मेरी आवाज़ मैंने ऐसे जानबूझ के निकाला ताकि थोड़ा फनी लगे, तो ऐसा मत सोचना कि मैं ऐसी बात करता हूँ। तो you can see that ground over there ahead. That's where I started my hiking from, and that's where I parked my car. And this is the place for Bear Mountains, and that's that lake. See? That's the lake over there where we can do boating and everything. Oh, damn. Forget about 1400 miles. Like, how are people able to do 14 miles? Or else I was seeing things. I don't know, guys, if you have completed this trek or this hiking. Comment down in the comment sections. Tell me what is up there that people die to go. Just tell me what is up there. Even I want to know, because I am not that capable of climbing that damn mountain. I'm not capable right now, but I will soon. And like I asked you, if you want to see a fitness journey of me, do drop down in the comment section. I will share my workouts, my diet plan, everything with you guys. This is the beautiful lake near Bear Mountains. That's the eating area. This is where you book tickets for the boating. Wow, looks so beautiful. See, people are doing all, see, having fun with their families. This is where my video started. I came all the way from there. Till over here. So guys, this road was completely packed. I was not able to bring my car up here. Now I have to walk down towards my car. But see, it looks so fantastic. Near my motorcycle, it's going to blow you away. It's going to blow you away. See? See, he's having fun. It's so nice and windy. This fall season is amazing to be around. Just see this view, it's so fantastic. And see this car. That was the reason I told you to come with your bikes. They enjoy so much. यही वजह है मैंने कहा था बाइक्स के साथ आइए, वो लोगों को बहुत मज़ा आती है ऐसे ट्विस्टीज पे. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but listen to the voice, listen to those engines screaming, ZX10R and everything. And guys, that's it for today. If you like the video, like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next vlog. And guys, if you want to see my other vlogs, I have listed up my every playlist and each and every videos. Thank you and see you next time. They are firing.